Do you know how to create the Excel data entry form in Excel? We are not going to use our VBA, but we are going to do it in very easy way. Let's go and let's start. Just imagine that you have our table and we need to insert some data. The point is also that we want to do it in the pleasant and fast way. For this reason, the forms are very useful in this case, especially when your table is very wide and you want to avoid the horizontal scrolling. In this example, we have the small table, like name, country, date, revenue. Let's write our name, Peter, US, date, revenue like 100 millions. But the problem is, when you need to change or correct some data, you need to select the cell, and it takes much more time to correct it. For this reason, form methods fit very good with this problem. The first thing that you need to do is to turn your data into Excel table. Just select the whole data and press Ctrl T. After that, pressing on the table design, we are going to apply our standard table Excel formatting and take away the existing one. Since this moment, we can use officially our form. But the question now is, where is the bottom of this form? Actually, it is a little bit hidden from the toolbar. Go up and click on the arrow to personalize the toolbar box. Select More Commands. Instead of popular commands, choose All Commands and scroll down till you find the form. Add it and press OK. Now we can see our form. One thing that we need to do, it is just click on it and it will appear. But if you select the cell outside of our table, it will give us error. For this reason, you need to select the cell of the table that you are working on and press again on the form. As the result, we got our first line data, but if you wanna add an additional one, just press on the button New. We write John, US, 2nd 2024, 200 millions. Press Enter to add the data. The cool thing is that automatically it takes you to the next form. So we can just add the next person, like Simon, Italy, 4/4/2021, and revenue 400 million. Also here we have criteria, and if you click on it and write the name of the person, in this case for example Simon, you will find immediately all data related to his name. You can also play with the buttons like find previous name or find next name and so on. Okay, to come back to our form, you just need to double click on the criteria button. And now let's see if you for the mistake put the wrong data and till the moment that you haven't pressed the enter, you can also restore it. Another cool thing of the form is that you can also add the data validation and it will apply to your form. For example, in this case, I want to be sure that people write the correct data. So go to Data, choose Data Validation, select Date, Between, and we write that the correct data should be between the 1st 1st 2025. As well, I'm going also to add the error alert that will appear in case if there is not the right data. Let's call back our form and write the new date. So instead we will write 2030, like in this example. As the result, we get immediately our alert message with wrong data. Also, if we correct our date in the cell, it also gives us the alert message and doesn't allow to insert the wrong data. Now we are going to use our form on the existing data. And the interesting thing is that we can also add some criteria. For example, I want to see immediately the people who got more than 5,000 of revenue. As the result, we got easily our requested result. Guys, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.